Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, then hi, my name is Prashansa and welcome to my side of internet. Here I make videos related to makeup, fashion and lifestyle. So if you want to stick around, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, today we are diving into the world of Valentine's Day with a stunning pink makeup look. Whether you are spending this special day with your someone special or just dedicating the whole day for yourself or self-love, this tutorial is perfect for adding the touch of glamour to your day. So yeah, grab your brushes and let's get it started. Alright guys, let's start with the primer. This is the primer I'm gonna use. It's from e.l.f. When I'm done with my primer, I'm gonna use this e.l.f. Halo Glow. You must have seen this in my videos quite a bit. So yeah, I'm just gonna use it on my cheeks because in this look I don't want my forehead to be so much blinky. I just want it to be matte. Once I'm done with that, I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I'm gonna take NYX pomade in the shade Espresso. You can check one of my video where I have described all the eyebrow tutorial. So I'll just link it on eye right here. So make sure to check it out. This is the brows, guys. After this, I'm gonna freeze my brows. It's from Got To Be, as you guys already know. Now I'm gonna use my tint. It's from Morphe. First, let me just carve my brows with the same tint. Also, do not forget your ears and neck areas. Always put your tint or foundation in them. I usually don't use foundation on me. Skin tint is usually enough for me. So yeah, but if you are someone who prefers foundation, this is the time to use your foundation. So just blend your foundation very properly, guys. Now I'm gonna use a concealer. This is the concealer I'm gonna use. It's from She Glam. Now I'm gonna blend this. Do not say a word, guys. I know I don't look best now, but trust the process, okay? Trust the process. With 1,000 sets in my face, I'm gonna jump into next process now. Now I'm gonna use a powder. It's from Earspun. This is my holy grail, guys. I'm gonna take this powder puff and I am just gonna go right into here. Alright guys, let this sit for like a minute and then we will just fluff it out. Alright, I look so dead right now. I can't even see myself. Alright, I have this palette with me. A grungy looking palette, you know, it's very sad looking, but we're gonna make it work, guys, don't worry. Again, I'm gonna take this palette. You may have seen this palette everywhere in my tutorials. I'm gonna use this white color called Moonlight. Dust it off first and use it on my eyelid, all over the eyelid. Now I'm gonna use this palette. It's from Morphe. First, I'm gonna take this color. The name of this color is Nikita. So let me just put this color all over my lid. Now I'm gonna use the same color on my lower lid. Now I'm gonna do a cut crease here with a concealer. I'm gonna use the same concealer that I used before, the one from the She Glam. I'm gonna take this brush. Let me do the same on the other eye off camera and I'll be back. Since everything is setting up, I'm just gonna use a bronzer. I'm gonna use this bronzer. gonna use a blush. It's from Melanie again. See how pretty this is. Now I'm gonna do a highlight just on this part of my nose. I hope you can see it. Maybe on here. Yeah. Now I'm gonna use this palette from Tati Beauty, and I'm gonna take this white shade. That's a lot of pigment. I'm gonna take this shame pink shade right here, and I'm gonna again pull this. This brush, and I'm gonna take this light shade of pink. It has a name Sakura. What a pretty name. Okay, I'm gonna put this on this part of my eye, and I'm gonna bluff it out also in this part. I'm just gonna mix this all over my eye. I'm just gonna blend this color with darker shade of the pink. Just make sure to blend these, do this blending very well. You can see the difference between this eye and this eye, right? It can create a huge difference, so make sure to blend it very properly. This is the eyeshadow glitter. It's in the shade Confetti, and it's from She Glam. I'm gonna just line the part of my cut crease. I'm gonna use this e.l.f. eyeliner. Alright guys, let's see the final reveal. I'm gonna use a kajal. It's from Tattoo Studio, and I'm gonna put it on my lower lid. Now I'm gonna use a eyelash. This is how it looks. Now I'm gonna use a mascara. It's from She Glam, and I'm gonna put this right here. Alright, it has like two ends for different kinds of lashes. For my lower lashes, I'm gonna use this end. I'm gonna lip line my lips. It's from She Glam again. I have also used this same lip liner on my latte makeup look. Now I'm gonna use this gloss. It's from Maybelline. Lastly, I'm just gonna end this tutorial with a setting spray. I don't have the cap of this bottle, but it's from e.l.f. and it's very good. Trust me guys, it's very good. Alright. And there you have it guys. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial as much I enjoyed creating it for you guys. At last, I just want to say, if you want to support me, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Till the next video, bye bye.